In this video, we will explain what a conformity tag is, why it is used in quality management, and how to prepare and use it step by step. What is a conformity tag? A conformity tag is a quality document or label attached to a part or product to confirm that it has been inspected and meets all specified requirements. It shows that the part conforms to drawings, specifications, and customer or internal quality standards, and that it is approved for release, production, or stock. Step 1. Record part details. Record all important part information on the conformity tag. This includes reference number, quantity affected, part number, part revision level and part description. This information ensures full traceability and helps identify exactly which parts were inspected. Step 2. Describe the reason and inspection details. Clearly describe the reason for issuing the conformity tag. This section usually includes remarks and a short description of the instructions or inspection performed. For example, parts were controlled because of previous customer complaint number 123. They were inspected in accordance with the drawing 4XYY revision AB. No deviations were recognized. Please release parts into production, or place them in stock. This step explains why the inspection was done and what actions should be taken next. Step 3. Authorization. In Step 3, the conformity tag must be authorized. This means writing down who approved the parts, the approval date, and preferably a contact email address. Authorization confirms accountability and ensures that the approval can be traced back to a responsible person. Step 4. Attach the tag to the inspected part. After approval, attach the conformity tag directly to the inspected part, container, or batch. The tag should be clearly visible so operators, inspectors, and logistics personnel can easily identify the part status. Step 5. Release the part. This means moving it to the next process step, into production, shipping, or placing it into stock, according to the instructions on the conformity tag. Using a conformity tag provides many benefits, such as clear proof of inspection and compliance, improved traceability and documentation, better communication between quality, production, and logistics, reduced risk of using non-conforming parts, increased customer confidence and audit readiness. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos.